Oh, what is this? Birds like to groom themselves. They even like to groom feathers that are no longer in their body. Ain't that right, puppy? Ain't that right? She is grooming her feather that's not even in her body anymore. She's a strange one, but she's a sweet one. Why do they groom? Well, look closely. She's grooming the sheath. I love you, puppy. She's grooming the sheath that surrounds her feather. Yes, she does. I don't know the reason. I know when it's in their body, it helps them to get the feather out of the sheath so it can grow. Isn't she cute? Isn't she cute?